Jojolapa, Newa Language Learning, Chapter 40, Daily Conversation. Please remember Apple Technologies for website designing services. Number 1. Welcome. Laskus. 2. Hello or Namaste in Nepali. Jojolapa. Number 3. Help. Wali. 4. Come. Wa. 5. Go. 6. Good morning. Be. Sutha. Sutha means morning. 7. Good night. Be. Cha. 8. Yes. Kha. 9. No. Maku. 10. Go die. See who. See means die. Who means go. 11. Liar. Maku kha laima. 12. Don't be angry. Ta cha mate. Ta means angry. I don't understand. Ji matu. Matu means don't understand. Ji means I or ji. Number 14. Have you had breakfast? Have you had breakfast? Ja ne duna la. Ja ne duna la. Ja means rice. In respected form. We can also say this in respected form. Like when we say to elder people, Jona popia di tuna la. Jona popia di tuna la. Jona means breakfast. Number 15. Have you had lunch? Bhaji ne tuna la. Here bhaji means beaten rice, and we can use in as a form of lunch also. In respected form, bhaji papia di tuna la. 16. Have you had dinner? Ja ne tuna la. Ja ne tuna la. In respected form, beli papia di tuna la. Beli papia di tuna la. Beli means dinner. Number 17. While angry, people don't say bajine tunala or jane tunala. Instead, they say tare ya tunala. Number 18. Would you like to have a cup of tea? Cha toniu la. Cha toniu la. Or in respected form, I have not written here, but it is said as cha papia di la. Cha papia di la. La la. Number 19. Would you like to have rice beer? Thon toniu la. Thon toniu la. Number 20. Don't drink alcohol. Aila toni mate. Aila toni mate. Number 21. I know Nepal Bhasa. Jita Nepal Bhasa wa. Jita Nepal Bhasa wa. Number 22. I don't know Nepal Bhasa. Jita Nepal Bhasa mawa. Mawa means don't know. Jita Nepal Bhasa mawa. Jita means I. Do you know Nepal Bhasa? Chanta or Chita in respected form. Nepal Bhasa wa. Chanta Nepal Bhasa wa or Chita Nepal Bhasa wa. Santa is form of you. Where is the toilet? Chabi gonna do. Chabi gonna do. Chabi means toilet. Gonna means where. Where is water? La gonna do. La gonna do. La means water. Gonna means where. Where is toilet paper? Toilet paper gonna do. Or we can also say Chabi Telugu po gonna do typically. And last one is thank you. Subha. If you have any comments or suggestions, please send me message in the website link below in the description. Thank you for watching.